Hi, Assalamu alaikum. This moment for me is very happier because I am happy too much due to the complete 1k subscriber. That is a lot more, and uh, I am thankful to all audience who are supporting me even, and in this way you are basically that is very awesome for me because I am working past 2 years and more. So a lot of support from your side will give me more edge to work more in the YouTube and to basically uh, to open the science of the biomedical science. I am learning about the biomedical science, as well as you should keep sharing my content as well as sport. Your sport is very important. Without your sport I am nothing, because your sport is everything. So that is why your sport is very important. That is why I am making video, and especially I am thankful from your side, and I am happy because you give me happiness to complete 1k. So that is why you are the best, even because you are supporting those people who are supporting me. Basically they are the best, and I am making the video for them. So in this way, basically happiness through those people who are supporting me and liking my content and sharing the content, and basically that is why I am happy from your sport. So that is why your sport is too much important for me. If you will not support, so I will not complete anything. So basically I want to complete my target in the next year. In this year, after the completing of this year, 10k subscriber. So that should be 10k subscriber. This is my next goal. So I hope you will support me and share my content, as well as give another suggestion for making new videos, because I have a lot of plans. Like I am working on the intermittent fasting, but in the case of the handwritten tutorial I am also making the video about the longevity, as well as I am also making the video about the handwritten tutorial about biomedical science and physiology, anatomy, as well as pathophysiology, biochemistry. So now my target is to complete all biological science like plant and animal, but I am also making the video about the biomedical science because basically I like to draw and I like to share the knowledge to all people. So that is why. So number one thing is that basically I will start the chemistry. So the chemistry like intermediate chemistry in the form of handwritten tutorial with the topic wise. I hope you will like and share my content if you are a student. And just I will make another playlist for chemistry, and I will work more on the biomedical science, the pathophysiology. Still I am working, so I am just learn and share the knowledge. So that is why I am researching too much and understanding first understand, and then I will share. So first understand and then should be shared to the all audience. So that is why the 1k is everything. Basically 1k is a lot more numbers. It is 1k, and no, we are going to more and more creative videos for you to understand better the biomedical science, as well as the intermittent fasting, especially because I am making the intermittent fasting videos because I have a lot more experience and knowledge due to my body fat was very heavy. I was too much fatty, and that is why I have shredded I have decreased the body fat due to the intermittent fasting, and that is special for you because I have a lot more experience even to for decreasing the fat and look more healthy. So that is why the intermittent fasting is also my part of life, but also I am making the handwritten tutorial about the biomedical science, longevity, as well as other topics. So these all topics should require time, electricity, and a lot more things. So it is hard time for me. In this time, I am facing too much hard time because no any more and more sport, but it is very big number, like 1k is too much for me because the previous month and previous years was very hard as compared to this time. So I hope it will more grow, and the growth is depend through your sport. So when you will sport more, I will grow more, and I will make more video for you for learning more. So that is why important thing is that your sport, and then my determination, my dedication and my determination. This is the important thing. I should determine, but your sport is my requirement, and your sport is everything because without your sport, nothing. So, nothing, no anything, because the YouTube is the depend on the sport of the audience, and sharing the content to the others. If you like that, those people who are liking me, they can share and give the sport. This is the sport simply, and that is why. And I am making more videos, upcoming videos, a lot more plans, a lot more pathophysiology and physiology, and I am working more about the pathophysiology basically as well as the physiology, and I will start also the chemistry playlist as well as the chemistry playlist as well as biochemistry of the plant and the physiology of the plant more. We will learn more, and I will also start the physics playlist, but it will not it will require time, not in this year, but in this year I have a plan to make videos about chemistry and some a little bit about the biochemistry, because biochemistry a topic already there, so you can learn from that. So that is your sport, and I am thankful for you, and your sport is good for me, and when you will share, I will happy, and I will share the content more because your sport is everything. So that is why just imagine that 1k is good for me, and the 10k will be possible due to your sharing uh, in this year. The 2023 should be complete, and the 2023 in this year the 10k should be must, because a lot more works, and the 4 year will be complete in my channel after the 2023, because I am working hard, and that is why your sport is requirement, and your sport will more, my channel will grow more, and I will access to share my knowledge to every person. So my target to share the knowledge to every person who are the biomedical expert or biomedical student or plant science learner, or on the other hand a lot of more special things. So basically, thanks from my side, and keep sharing, keep supporting. That will bring happiness to me. So thanks for watching. Bye.